friends, what's going on? Hey, tonight is smoked salmon night. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little example of what I do to make the perfect salmon. So here is our fresh salmon that we did get from the store, but it was pretty fresh. So what I want to do first is take the salmon out, inspect it a little bit, looks pretty good. Skin on, wash it with cold water. You want cold water to clean off all the excess goop on there. And really, I know a lot of people prep this the night before. They want to put it in brown sugar and sea salt and draw out the moisture. I find it that you can do either way. I have done it either way or both ways, and it has come out absolutely phenomenal both ways. So I want to put it on there. You do want to take the moisture out of it as much as you can. So just set it on a paper towel like so. Put another paper towel over it and just pat dry it. That's all you need to do. So it doesn't get all the moisture out, but for smoking, you still want the moisture in there so it doesn't completely dry out your salmon. So just like that. It's fresh, it's clean, it's dry. And now let's go ahead and put on our seasoning. Follow me right over here. Alright, so we are back with our fresh salmon, and what we're going to do is definitely the seasonings that I'm going to use is kosher sea salt. You want sea salt more than table salt. It tastes so much better. We are going to do crushed black pepper. We're going to do a little bit of paprika at the end to give it a little bit of color to it, and also some lemon pepper seasoning. So first what you want to do is take your sea salt, just slightly go over it. Alright, so you want to give it just one good little layer of sea salt. I like to do crushed pepper. Like so. A little bit of lemon pepper. About like that. And on salmon, you want to go just lightly on your seasoning because you definitely want the flavor of the salmon to come through. You don't want to overpower it with seasoning. And just a little bit of paprika. Okay, now with all of our seasoning on, we are going to walk out to the smoker and get our smoker ready to let it start smoking, start bringing it up to temperature, and we will put on our salmon. Follow me outside. So we're going to go ahead and cook this at the high smoke at roughly about 209, 210 for about an hour and 15 minutes. And we'll come back and see what we have, because I have a special coating that I want to put on after the hour and 15 to finish it up. I'll see you back. All right, welcome back everybody. Just wanted to bring you up to date that the smoker is finally getting back up to temp. It is smoking like it's supposed to. It's going to do this for a little bit and then settle back down again. Hey everybody, back again. Now we have already been smoking for the past roughly about hour and 15 minutes. So now we're going to make our glaze to go over it for the last 15 minutes of the smoke. So what I want to do is use some syrup. Give a good helping. And also some fresh honey. So with this, all you want to do is stir it up, and it is going to be pretty thick. Alright, so now that the salmon has been smoking for roughly about an hour, hour and 5 minutes, let's see what we have. Actually looking really good. So now, what we want to do is finish up with the glaze that we made inside here a little bit ago. Which is syrup and honey. So now what we're going to do is we're going to let that cure, glaze over for about another 15-20 minutes, and we will be back. Alright, so it's time to take off the salmon. It's been smoking now for an hour and a half. I did turn up the heat to around 300 degrees for the last 20 minutes. So I smoked it at about 110 degrees, and the last about 15-20 minutes 300 to cure the glaze that we had on it. Alright, so there's our smoked salmon. We will go inside and I'll catch up with you there. Alright, we are back in the kitchen now, and we have mashed potatoes, corn, and our fabulous smoked salmon. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it in half. Look how flaky that salmon is. It's coming right off the skin. Going to go on Steph's plate. That's going to go on my plate. And while I still have you on, I just want to take one bite. Look how absolute flaky that is. Smoked salmon for an hour and a half. That is good. That is really good. Thank you for watching me tonight. Really appreciated it. I really hope you continue to go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. This is only the beginning, you guys. We are going to have so much fun the next night and the next night and the next night. Now tomorrow night we are doing chicken. So subscribe so you can't miss a single night of the cooking. We appreciate it. Good night.